Hello and welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing good. My this session is regarding the previous year questions of SSC CHSL. Let's start the session. Let's start with the first question. So in the question it is given, Sohan sold a plot for rupees 2,55,000 at 15% loss. Fine. At what price should he sell the plot to gain 10% profit? So in this question they are asking for selling price. So first we will counter for the percentage given here. First is 15% loss. So what does it mean? 15% means 3 by 20. If we consider 20 as the cost price, so it is given that loss is happening here. So 20 minus 3, it will be 17. And selling price is given. It is 2,55,000. So if you will cancel it here, we will get we'll get 15,000. You will cancel it by 17, you will get 15,000, right? So what will be the cost price here? Actual cost price will be 3 lakh. We multiply 20 by 15,000, we will get 3 lakh as cost price. Fine. Now in the question they are asking what price should he sell the gain to gain 10% profit. Fine. So 10% of fine. So gain 10% profit. Your answer will be 3 lakh plus 30,000. If we add it, we will get 3 lakh 30,000. So option number B will be your answer. Fine. Next question we have. A dealer marks his goods at 30% above the cost price. Then he allows 35% discount on it. What would be his loss percentage? Okay. Let's say cost price is 100x. Now marks his goods at 30% above the cost price. So 30% above the cost price, it means 130x. Then he allows 35% discount on it. 35%. So discount is always given on mark price. So 35% of 130 will be, if you will solve it, fine, we will get 91 by 2. Further we will solve it, we will get 45.5. Fine. So what will be the selling price? After subtracting it from 130x, we will get 130x minus 45.5x, we will get 84.5. So here we can see the loss here is 100x minus 84.5x. Okay, so loss will be 15.5%. So it will be option number D. Option number D will be your answer. Next question. Next question is given, if the cost price of 25 articles is equal to the selling price of 35 articles, find the profit loss percentage. Okay, so cost price of 25 article is equal to the selling price of 35 articles. Okay, so here we will get the ratio of cost price to selling price. It will be 7 upon 5. Fine. So as you can see directly here, the ratio is 7:5. So definitely it's a loss. So what would be the value of loss? It is 7 minus 5, that is 2, and loss is on cost price, that is by 7 into 100. And as we know, 1 by 7 is 14.28%. Fine. So 2 by 7 will be 28.56%. Fine. So loss of 28.56%. Option number A will be your answer. Next question we have, a shopkeeper purchased pens in bulk for 28 rupees 28 each. He sold each for rupees 40. Okay, so he sold each for rupees 40. What was his profit percent? Okay, so cost price is 28, selling price is 40. So the profit percent will be, it's very simple, it's 12 upon 28 into 100, because profit is selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price is 40, cost price is 28. So it will be 3 by 7. That is as we know, again it's 1 by 7, that is 14.28, and if we will multiply it by 3, what we will get? We will get 42.85%. 8485. It's given. Option number A will be your answer. Next we have, by selling an article for rupees 600, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 20%. At what price should he sell the article to incur a loss of 20%? Fine. Selling price is 600. Now shopkeeper makes a profit of 20%. Fine. So 20% means 1 by 5. So 5 to 6, it is given that 5 is the cost price, 6 will be the selling price, and selling price is already given in 600. The value of 6 is 600. So 5 will be 500, it will be the cost price. Now there is a loss of 20%. So 20% loss on 500. So what will be your answer? 4 by 5. So 400. 400 will be your answer. Fine. Next question. A shopkeeper pays 12% of the cost price as tax while purchasing an item whose cost is rupees 500. He wants to earn a profit of rupees 20% after giving a discount of 16% on the mark price. So what will be the mark price? In the question they are asking for the mark price, right? Okay, so first we will consider here the cost price. Fine. So what will be the cost price? So item whose cost is rupees 500. Now here we have to add the value of tax as well. So 12% of the cost price as tax. So 12% of 500 will be 60. 560 will be the cost price. Now we have to find the value of mark price. Fine. So mark price will be 560 into and he want to earn a profit of 20%. So 20% means 1 by 5. Profit, that means okay, we will apply the concept of multiplying factor here. There is a profit, so we will add 1 plus 1 by 5. So it will be 6 by 5. We will multiply it by 6 by 5. And next we have discount of 16%. So we can write it 100 by 84. So if we'll cancel it, you will get fine. If you further solve it, you will get mark price as 800. Fine. So 800 will be your answer. Option number D will be your answer. Next we have a cot was marked for rupees 15,000 but sold for rupees 13,500. What was the discount percentage offered on it? Okay, mark price is given 15,000, sold, that is selling price, is 13,500. So now we can get the discount, the value of discount. So discount will be mark price minus selling price. So it is 15,000 minus 13,500. So it will be 1,500. Now discount is always given on mark price. Fine. So discount is 1,500 and what is the value of mark price is 15,000. Okay. We will cancel it. We will get 10%. So 10% is the value of discount. Option number C will be your answer. Next we have one single discount which is equivalent to 20%, 10% and 5%. Okay, so this is the question of successive discount. Let's say 100 is the value on which we are applying this discount. So 20% discount, that means 20% is 1 by 5, and by applying the concept of multiplying factor it will be 4 by 5 because it's a discount. So 1 minus 1 by 5, that will be 4 by 5. Next 10%, that is 9 by 10. 5%, that is 5% is 1 by 20. 1 by 20, 1 minus 1 by 20, that is 19 by 20. Okay, further solve it. You will get we will get 68.4. Okay, so what will be the value of the single discount? Single discount value will be 100 minus 68.4. 68, so what we will get? 68.4.6, 69. So okay, 31.6 will be the equivalent single discount. So option number D will be your answer. Next we have, if pair of shoes marked at rupees 350 fine is offered at rupees 308, then what will be the discount percentage? Okay, the selling price is 308, so what will be the discount percentage? So it will be 42. We subtract it here, we'll get 42 upon 350. Discount percentage is always on the mark price. Fine, we will solve it. 12%. 12% will be your answer. Option number B will be your answer. Next we have successive discount of 10% and 20% are given on the purchase of a purse. If the price of the purse is rupees 2,250, find the selling price. Okay, so here the price is given. Now the discount is 10, successive discounts is 10% and 20%. So first is 10%. 10% is 1 by 10. So discount is 9 by 10. Next we have 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. That is 4 by 5. Discount value. Fine. We will cancel it. If you will multiply it, what we will get? You will get 36 into 45. So it will be 1620. So number D will be your answer. Fine. So in the next video I will solve more number of questions. Thank you.